Hey everyone, so we just released Quickpress 0.5.0. I'm really excited to show you what's new. We've been working on this for a while based from your feedbacks, and I think you're going to love it. We're talking major performance improvements, a bunch of new features that'll make your life easier, and honestly, just making everything feel better to use. Let me walk you through what's changed. Okay, so first thing, performance. This is probably the biggest win in this release. If you've got a site with hundreds or thousands of posts, you know the struggle. We completely rebuilt how the table works. We added virtualization, and now it only loads what you can actually see. We're talking 70% less memory usage, and it just feels fast. And the initial load? Way faster. Things load when you need them, not all at once. You can actually start working right away instead of waiting for everything to load. Okay, so here's something I love. You can edit titles and slugs right in the table. No clicking into posts, no page refreshes. Just hover over a title, click Edit, change it, and save. Same with slugs. Click Edit, done. And that edit icon in each row, click it to open Quick Edit. You can change pretty much everything about that post. Title, content, featured image, categories, all of it, without leaving the table. Perfect for when you need to make a bunch of changes at once. Everything stays in sync too. Edit something in the table, it updates in Quick Edit. Change something in Quick Edit, it shows up in the table. It just works. Alright, let's talk about the interface. We made a bunch of changes to make things easier to use. First, notifications. We redesigned them completely. They come in different colors, just makes it easier to see what's happening. This is one of my favorites, maximize mode. See this button in the top right? Click it, and boom. Full screen, no sidebar, just you and your content. Perfect for when you need to focus. Click minimize to bring everything back. Simple. The sidebar menu can now be minimized to just icons. More screen space when you need it. Click the icons to see your options. Quickpress remembers your preference, so it stays how you like it. The title column is resizable now. Just drag or double-click the resize icon at the edge. When you make it wide, you'll see featured images and all the details. When you narrow it down, it shows just the title. Make it narrow, it hides the extra stuff automatically. Your width preference saves, so it's exactly how you want it next time. The Advanced Column Manager. This lets you manage which columns show up for each post type. You can search for post types, select which fields you want to see, drag and drop to reorder them, all in one place. And you can save settings for all post types at once. Super handy if you're managing multiple post types and want different columns for each one. Okay, the editor. This is a big one. We built an isolated Gutenberg editor that focuses on content. When you're writing, you don't need all the layout stuff, theme options, page builder settings. That's all noise. This editor strips that away. You can handle most of your content work right here. Write, add images, format text, create lists. Everything you need without the distractions. If you do need the full WordPress editor, there's an Edit in Full Editor button in the toolbar that takes you there. That's it. Quickpress 0.5.0 is a big step forward. Whether you're managing a small blog or a huge content site, this should make your workflow way smoother. Questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you haven't tried Quickpress yet, check out quickpress.io.